See now question 5. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. So first of all, draw this AB line segment of 8 cm. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as a center, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Taking A as a center, first of all, we have to draw a circle of radius 4 cm. So let us assume this is suppose 4 cm distance. Now taking this as a center, we have to draw a circle like this. So taking this as a center, first of all, draw a circle of 4 cm radius and taking B as a center. Now let us draw another circle of radius 3 cm. So here it may come like this. It will come like this something. So this circle is of radius 3 cm. There will be little bit gap here because total AB is of 8 cm. So this first of all of 4 cm and this circle you will draw of 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of other circle. Now we want to construct tangents to each circle from the center of other circle. Now just assume that this circle is not there. If suppose this circle is not there, then this is circle with center B and here this is A point. Assume this circle is not there, then you can see this is construction 11.3. Here because it is two circle it looks different. But if you join this, if you see this AB line segment and if you don't draw this circle, then this is an exterior point. You know how to draw tangents from an exterior point to the circle. Take perpendicular bisector of this AB. So taking more than half distance, give an arc upside, downside. Same way here also, join this. So this is your midpoint M. Now taking MP as a radius, don't draw whole circle, taking this radius, give an arc here and similar way give an arc here. So these are the two arcs. Now join that. So this is your tangents from center of A to the circle with center B. Now similar way, assume that suppose this circle is there and this is not there. So if you assume like that, that means now you have a circle with center A. Now let us assume B point is not there. So here this is another, that is B center. Now again it is same, B is an exterior point and A is the center. Take perpendicular bisector of AB. Suppose it's roundabout, here it's coming. Suppose it is like this. Then taking again this distance, here I have written M. So suppose I am writing here N. So taking NA distance, give an arc like this. Taking NA distance, give arc upside, downside. So these are the two arcs. Join that. So you can see from B center we have drawn tangents to the circle with center A. Now this figure if I combine, it will look like this. Taking here first of all, as I told you explanation like this. Now I am drawing only figure how it will look. So it will look like this in your notebook. You can give any name here of your choice. Suppose I am writing P, here Q. Similar way, you will get another tangents like this. Suppose I am writing here R point and this point I am writing S. So your figure will look like this. So here we have drawn two tangents from both the centers to both the circles.